After spending 6 sideways months in 2016, Ethereum would give this major buy signal that I'm about to share with you as it moved from $2 to about $15. Then again, it gave the same buy signal in February, March of 2017 on its way from about the mid-20s all the way to as high as $400. Ethereum then again gave the same buy signal in late 2017 on its way from about the 400 price level all the way to the highs of 1400. Now, taking a look at Tesla, we can see in late 2019, it looked very extended as it moved and gave this buy signal that I'm talking about. And we can see that was in late 2019 right there. And it also gave another signal in the middle of 2020 and another signal late 2021. And we haven't seen any new signal being given by Tesla. And so it is not a buy at this current time. In fact, it gave a recent red flag. One of the best moving stocks in 2020 is Zoom. And we can see here, based on this method, it gave a signal for an entry in March of 2020 as it moved from the 100 price level mark to as high as the 500s, touching as high as 575. Taking a look at Bitcoin, we can see two major signals in 2017, May and again around October, on its way to touching the 20,000 price level mark. After almost 2.5 years of sideways action, Bitcoin gave a fresh buy signal as per this method in late 2020 as it moved above the 15k price level on its way to trading as high as the higher 60s with a major run. If we take a look at the Nifty next, we can see as of 2003 there was a buy signal as per this method, but we can see in this particular case it wasn't very successful. The next buy signal comes, as you can see here, middle of 2005, and again we get another buy signal as of middle of 2006 and another buy signal April of 2007 and also mid 2007. By the way, sticking with the Nifty, we can see that this same method is also going to help you identify areas where there's potential for downside action, as the signal was not confirmed in 2011. And here we can see major buy signals for the Nifty in 2014, again in early 2017, and we can see in mid 2020 there was another major buy signal for the Nifty. One of the biggest movers also in 2020 was MRNA. We can see a buy signal there as of March 2020, buy signal as of late 2020, and another buy signal as of mid 2021. Using this method, Dogecoin was a buy as it gave a major buy signal as of late 2017 on its big run into early 2018, and we can see as of January of 2021 it was imminent, just about to give a fresh buy signal. In fact, if you move forward by 1 day, you can see the following day it was up almost 1,000%, closing as high as 426% at the end of that session as it gave a new buy signal. And now if you take a look, we can see that you had another chance to buy the next signal, which came in April of 2021. One of the biggest short squeezes in recent years is GameStop. It gave a buy signal as per this method in January of 2021. The other short squeeze is of course Cars or Avis, and we can see it gave a major buy signal as of September, October of 2021, also on its way to a big run. Taking a look at Ripple, we can see that over the last couple of months as of 2021, it attempted to move higher but failed. The reason being that it did not meet the buy signal that I'm discussing here. The last buy signal was in late 2017 and there was one in April of 2017. The method is simple yet very powerful. What you want is your 13-week moving average after some sideways consolidation to be making a move to all-time highs. This move to all-time highs is your entry point. If you go back and check all the examples in this video, you will see that I was highlighting the areas where the 13-week moving average went to a new high. And you can use either the exponential moving average or the simple moving average. In fact, all of the examples I highlight both the 13-week moving average exponential and the simple moving average, so you can study this at your own time. Let's assume that you are determined to never ever totally miss the next biggest bullish moves that any instrument will ever have. This method will literally force you to concentrate on owning only record-breaking bullish moves while simultaneously avoiding bearish setups.